I found God on the side of the road in a two-door Chevy. When she was whispering softly in my ear, then screaming to hold the wheel steady. Away it goes.
Sorry for those wasabi lovers, but like, I don't know. It's just like,
I love school.
really?
Girl, I love.
That was so good, and I was like,
Well, Princess, this is a podcast, and they're not gonna be able to fucking see, but for those of you who are watching, period.
he's like, oh.
Because all your shit always came down to me. Y'all, what?
Like, yeah, I was getting into a lot of fights. I was trying to be this.
Let her speak. I think I was also like, not to like talk.
Listen to what anybody has to say, because like now growing up, me grown and like
Next Wednesday or Friday or Monday, whenever this video will go out.
Hi guys, so we made it to the train. It's already 6:06 and aalis siya ng 6:09. So munti ka na tayo hindi umabot kasi wala akong ticket. Tapos kanina mali pa yung car na sinakyan ko. Nasa car number 7 ako, tapos car number 4 pala yung nasa ticket. 6:30 yung lapag ng plane ni Tita Led. And I think 7 na ako makakarating doon. Pero siguro sakto lang kasi immigration pa and for sure mahaba yung pila. So ayun, sakto lang yung dating ko doon. See you later na lang sa airport. And guys, nahihilo ako sobra. Feeling ko dahil sa init. Tapos sobrang daming tao kanina sa train. Also, hindi ko alam kung tama yung nabili kong ticket kasi 1,700 yen lang siya. Usually yung ticket dapat 3,000 yen pag Narita Express. So, hindi ako sure kung tama yung nabili ko.
鏡の前ピタッと並ばされてこれが絵なって勝手に決められて柔らかい声出せるけれど返事は求められて変のやろびを結んで可愛くして喋らん方が可愛いなって言うけど名前
Guys, di na nakapag-antay. Yummer!
My head plays me soft with plastic eyes. Kurunde, kurunde.
Hi guys! We are home. My favorite. I love it. So, kakauwi lang namin ng bahay and I'm so hungry. Hindi na kami nakabili ng dinner. And ayun, nagluto na lang ako ng Payless from the Philippines. At pabili ako ng Ovaltines. Let's unbox. Unbox!
Hey, how's your day? I don't know if I'm interrupting what you say. I've got to know if I've been MIA. I can make it up to you right now. What you say, you should know. I see more love when I'm with you. Time after time, I feel like when I'm with you, everything stops for a moment, but only for a moment. So I can take this time to enjoy my view. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I see more life when I'm with you.
Tadaima!
Don't running, baby. You know I love you time and time again. Yeah. I've been trying lately, but I'm not perfect. I've been searching, then you came into my life so well. I'm done making my mind up now, 'cause you've been spinning my head around. I only want you, baby, that's the truth, 'cause I see more life when I'm with you. Time after time, I feel like when I'm with you, everything's
So, this is 2 days later, guys. And today, pupunta tayo ng Shimokitazawa para kunin na yung susi ko para sa bagong apartment. Kasi bukas ay dadalhin na yung mga box na yan doon. Medyo na busy ako the past few days, kaya di ako nakapag-vlog. Just stressed and nagkasakit din kasi ako. So, ngayon lang ulit ako nakapag-video. Anyway, as you can see, puro boxes na dito kasi kukunin na yan lahat bukas. And this is the current situation. Hindi pa tayo tapos. Yeah, hopefully tonight. At dapat talaga tonight tapos na siya kasi nga bukas na yan pipick upin dito. And ayun. Andulas. Aray ko. Andulas. Bukas pa talaga kami lilipat, guys. Chinek lang namin siya. New life.
Lumubog.
Ha?
Lumubog.
Uy, nasa na yung susi talent?
Hawak ko.
Okay. Yeah.
You can tie me up and